Us.
Hey guys, we're at the beach. I'm vlogging today because it's gonna be a lot of fun.
Austin,
Hey guys, so we are at the park right now and we're about to leave.
Yes, you can.
Hey guys, we just got back from the beach and I just got out of the shower. And I'm brushing my hair right now. Hey guys, so we just stopped at Dunkin' and I got a frozen strawberry lemonade. Okay guys, so we are back at the house and we are starting a fire outside. Well, my mom is starting a fire outside and my brother, and I'm gonna get changed because yeah, I just took a shower and got dressed into this, but I'm gonna get into some pajamas because I wasn't thinking and I'm like freezing and I really want to go outside, so yeah, see you guys after. Hey guys, so I'm heading to the backyard to have some s'mores. They're gonna be so delicious. Okay guys, so I'm going to end the vlog right here, right now, today. And we're actually going to be going to the beach tomorrow. So I will probably see you guys there, you know, in virtual form. But yeah, peace guys. See you later.